In this edition of Rescue Me, we're going to talk about the paperwork you need to collect before you go meet with your lender to get your new home loan. In this market, homes are selling quickly, so you want to be prepared and ready to jump when that perfect home hits the market. Part of that process is sitting down with a lender, getting pre-approved before you start looking at homes. I guarantee when you walk into that house and you fall in love with it, you'll want to jump quickly, move fast, and having that pre-approval letter will streamline the process. So these are the documents you'll need when you sit down with your lender to get pre-approved. Number one, you'll need your W-2s or 1099s for the past 2 years. Those are the documents that you get from your employer that you use to file your taxes. So get 2 years of those. Number two, pay stubs for the last 2 months, and that's for each job you have. So if you have multiple jobs, you'll have multiple pay stubs. Number three, proof of supplemental income. Any other monies that you have coming in, get that paperwork together and bring that to your lender. Number four, tax documents for the last 2 years. So just collect all of those, bring those with you to your lender. Number five, bank statements for the last 3 months. If you have multiple bank accounts, bring all those with you. And as new ones come in, just set them aside and keep them because your lender's probably going to want you to update those as you get new bank statements each month. Number six, any investment accounts that you might have. Number seven, statements for any debt that you have. Credit cards, car payments, student loans, alimony, child support, anything and everything you're paying out to people, bring that documentation with you when you meet your lender. This should be an easy one. Copy of a driver's license or a state ID. And last, you'll want to write down a history of where you've lived for the past 2 years. That's it. If you walk into your lender with all those documents, there is a good chance you can walk out of that meeting with a pre-approval letter. As always, if you have questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help. And remember, when you use me to buy a house, you don't just get a great house. You'll be helping a dog get out of the shelter and into their new backyard. Thanks for watching.